Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Bridge and welcome to my channel. Before I bring you guys along with my vlogmas, I would like to give you guys a small life update. So after the Balagos trip video I uploaded, I got busy editing stuff for Songspill show, which we just streamed last night. You guys can check it out in the Songspill channel. We also got the Team Disney that streamed last Saturday night, and next Saturday night will be the Team OPM. I really can't wait to see their show. So what I'm gonna do for today is just to clean a bit my stuffs and give myself a little good care because I really need it. And yeah, I hope everybody's doing well and you would take a good care of yourself too, because you deserve it. You deserve a lot of things in your life. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and please enjoy this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Hi guys, so I just finished taking a shower and yeah, I just finished taking a shower and it's really refreshing, and I really like the set that my friend gave me. This Baileys and Harding set. It's a set of soap, body wash, and body lotion. It smells so good. I wasn't expecting to really use this because I don't really use this kind of stuff. So I just use Safeguard. Next thing that I'm gonna show you is this new set that I got from Babe. Packaging is really cute. This one, it's the Bonbon set, or I don't know what to do Bonbon. So the color is really cute. That's that. I'm gonna head to the garden because I'm gonna disinfect the groceries that my aunt bought, and see you guys later. So it's currently 8:15 p.m. I already took my PCSB exam this morning, and I will be preparing my next exam, which is personal development and general biology, for tomorrow. So wish me luck. Yum. I think I'm gonna sleep around 3:30. I don't know, I couldn't sleep. Bago pa, no? 1:20 p.m. Wednesday. She's sleeping.
Do you believe in Santa Claus?
Hi guys, good morning. So, oh my god, I'm so early. Currently, hi guys, it is currently 8:58 in the morning, Saturday.
So here I am, and I'm gonna clear out some of my clothes and arrange them.
Hi! This is Bea. I'm just gonna perform their Team OPM. Hey, let's go! Let's go Team OPM. I will link it down below so you guys can check it. Yay! Thank you! It's done! And ta-da! Stay tuned! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Guys, nadi may diri karon guys. Nag-vlog mi guys kay wala mi mabuhat. So, asa mas bigyan ko na. So, karon guys, nagapangitan mi si Mina na pwede isuot. Ha? Ito. Ito, may masabay scover. So, natin may diri karon guys. Kadug, masagingon ni Bridget ta. Ano nga to? Oh, pili di ko. Bahala ka dyan. Ako ani? Ako ano? Natin may diri karon guys. Nanita ang sinina si Algarim. naman hip hop. December.
December, bagay book mo. December, pula na lang taon.
So karon guys, naami karon ila Bridget. So Bridget will find his way to find a new shirt. New shirt, di ba? Yeah, Bridget will find. Ako go po lagi kong hamis lagi ko diri. Tanaw Rex, hamis ko Rex. Karon guys, nagapili si Bridget guys. Rogo nag-video ko ba? Siguro gara-gara diri. Sorry guys kung nagara-gara ako diri. Karon ra bitaw ako naggara-gara. Sabi mo guys. Wala na, yes, hey, wala na. Happy birthday! Hi Melvin. Say hi. Say hi Armando. Hi. Hi. Single. Cheese yan, cheese. Hello guys. Single ako, ready to mingle.
Oh.